Credit Karma Savings Account is a high-yield cash account that sits inside the same app you already use for credit scores, and it moves money through partner banks instead of Credit Karma holding deposits directly. By the end of this, you'll know how the account actually works, where your money is held, what features matter, and whether it makes sense compared to a regular bank savings account. The main thing to understand first is structure. Credit Karma itself is not a bank. Your savings are held at partner banks, which is why you'll see bank names during setup, and not just the Credit Karma brand. This means your experience is controlled by the app, but your funds sit in a banking institution behind it. Next is access. You manage everything inside the Credit Karma app, so transfers, balances, and savings tracking are all in one place alongside your credit tools. This is convenient if you already use Credit Karma daily, because you don't need a separate banking app just to move money or check your balance. Now the key question people care about: is it worth using? The value depends on your goal. If you want simple savings with a clean interface and don't care about advanced banking features like branches or in-person support, this setup is designed to be lightweight and easy to maintain. If you prefer a traditional bank with full service options, this kind of app-based savings account may feel limited. Another factor is trust and control. Since funds are held at partner banks, your protection comes from standard banking safeguards applied through those institutions. The important detail is that your money is not stored inside Credit Karma as a standalone wallet, so it follows normal banking structure. Here's how to decide quickly. If you already use Credit Karma for credit monitoring and want a single place to manage savings without thinking about it, this fits that use case. If you want a full banking relationship with physical locations and broader financial products in one place, a traditional bank may be a better match. So the key points are simple. It's an app-managed savings account. Your money is held at partner banks, and it's built for convenience over full banking features. If you're deciding right now, check whether you already rely on Credit Karma daily. If yes, it can simplify your setup. If not, compare it with a standard high-yield savings account from a traditional bank before moving money. If this helped, like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of finance apps without the confusion.